Hey, knife enthusiasts! Today, I've got something special for you. The best knife sharpeners under $50. I've researched and narrowed it down to my top 3 picks. Stick around and don't forget to check the links in the description for today's prices. Let's dive in. 1. Smith's Pocket Pal Knife Sharpener. The tactical and survival knife enthusiasts have spoken, and the compact knife sharpener has garnered a mix of praise and reservations. Users appreciate its effectiveness in maintaining a keen edge on various knives, especially for everyday tasks like package opening. Its portability makes it an ideal companion for travelers and campers, providing a quick touch-up for blades on the go. Some find it perfect for small knives, while others note its versatility with serrated blades. However, there are varying opinions on its long-term performance. Some laud its durability and effectiveness, appreciating the lightweight design. On the flip side, a few users express concerns about its ability to sustain a lasting edge, particularly on high-quality, hard steel blades. There's consensus on its suitability for around-the-house or short-term camping use, but skepticism arises for more demanding situations like extended hiking trails. The tool's 3-stage process, including a file for serrations, appeals to users seeking multifunctionality. Some emphasize its value for the price, while others mention the potential aggressiveness of the coarse sharpening option. Despite occasional reservations and a broken diamond spike in one instance, the majority find it a reliable and cost-effective solution, keeping their knives consistently sharp with ease. 2. AccuSharp Knife and Tool Sharpener. The AccuSharp Pro Knife and Tool Sharpener has garnered mixed reviews from users. Some praise its efficiency and time-saving features, especially when compared to traditional whetstones. Users find it particularly effective for kitchen knives, quickly restoring their sharpness with minimal effort. However, caution is advised, as a few have experienced unexpected sharpness, leading to accidents. While the sharpener received accolades for its ability to revive dull knives, there are variations in its performance noted by users. Some observed better results in one direction over the other, prompting additional sharpening with a V-shaped ceramic tool for a more balanced edge. Despite claims of being a versatile tool, opinions on its efficacy for serrated blades are divided. Several users appreciate the AccuSharp Pro's affordability and longevity, with some reporting satisfaction even after years of use. However, concerns have been raised about its durability, citing wear and tear, as well as plastic pieces coming off after extended use. In conclusion, the AccuSharp Pro Knife and Tool Sharpener offers a quick and budget-friendly solution for sharpening knives, especially for everyday use. While it may not replace professional sharpening for some, its ease of use and effectiveness make it a practical addition to the kitchen or toolbox. Users should exercise caution to avoid unexpected sharpness and be mindful of potential durability issues with prolonged use. Thanks for watching, knife enthusiasts. I hope you found your perfect sharpener among my top 3 picks under $50. Check the video description for links to these awesome tools. Don't forget to click and grab yours now for razor-sharp results in your kitchen.